Many years ago, the USA was a segregated society. There were different rules for black and white people, and white and black people were separated. Black and white people could use the same buses, but they had to use different sections. The black section was at the back of the bus. African Americans had to pay at the front, get out of the bus and enter again at the back. If the front section was filled up, black people were asked to give up their seats to white people. On December 1, 1955, Rosa Parks was sitting on a bus in Alabama, USA after a long day of work. When the bus had traveled for a while, there were no seats left in the white section. A white passenger came into the bus, and the bus driver told Rosa and 3 other African Americans to give up their seats for the white passenger. Rosa Parks had experienced this kind of discrimination many times before, and this time she refused to move to the back of the bus. Her decision was a protest against the unfair system of segregation that treated African Americans as second-class people. The bus driver shouted at her and left the bus. He came back later with 2 policemen who arrested Rosa Parks and put her in prison. Many people were angry by what happened to Rosa Parks. They wanted to find a way to protest against the unfair rules. The African Americans agreed to stay off the buses. This was really a very good idea, because most people who used the buses were black. On Monday, there were almost no people on the buses. Black people walked, took their bikes, or used cars to get to school or to work. The black community went on with the boycott, and the bus company lost a lot of money. Some white people shouted abuse and threw stones and bottles at the black people. Rosa Parks had to pay some money for breaking the law, but she refused to pay. In November 1956, the Supreme Court ruled that separating white and black people on the buses was against the law of the USA. From now on, black people could sit wherever they wanted in the buses. This was a great improvement for African Americans. The movement of equal rights for black people is called the Civil Rights Movement. Rosa Parks was the person who started it all and became the mother of the movement. When she died in 2005, many people showed their respect for this brave woman.